Well, hello and a huge welcome back to AutoNervex. For years, we've seen whispers, digital renderings, and hopeful rumors circulating the internet. The question on everyone's mind, will Volkswagen ever bring back an icon? Today, we have the exclusive and exciting answer. This is the all-new, fully reimagined 2026 Volkswagen Beetle. That's right, it's back. And we're going to give you the complete breakdown of its exterior design, its interior tech, how it performs on the road, and what it will cost. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the exterior. The designers at Volkswagen had a monumental task, honoring a beloved classic while catapulting it into the future. And I have to say, they've absolutely nailed it. The overall silhouette is unmistakably Beetle, with that friendly, rounded profile we all remember. But every single line has been sharpened for a modern era. Up front, the iconic circular headlights are now sophisticated LED units, integrated into a smooth, illuminated front grille that gives it a very friendly, approachable face. The long, sweeping roofline flows beautifully into a more squared-off rear end, which features a striking full-width LED light bar. It manages to feel nostalgic and warmly familiar, yet it looks completely contemporary and fresh sitting next to any modern hatchback or crossover. It's a design that's sure to turn heads and spark conversations wherever it goes. Now let's step inside the cabin. The interior is where the past and present merge in a really clever way. The moment you open the door, you're greeted by a bright, airy space, thanks to an optional large panoramic sunroof. You'll instantly spot a nod to history with a small, minimalist flower vase on the dashboard, a wonderful callback to the original. But surrounding that charming touch is a thoroughly modern environment. There's a fully digital driver's display and a large, floating touchscreen infotainment system in the center, both running Volkswagen's latest and most responsive software. The materials are a significant step up from Volkswagen's of old, with soft-touch plastics, comfortable and supportive seats, and nice contrasting color options. It's practical, tech-forward, and retains that unique, cheerful character that made the original so beloved, but the big question is, what's it like to drive? This is not a rear-engined, air-cooled relic. The 2026 Beetle is built on Volkswagen's modern MEB platform. The same foundation as the ID.4, our review model, is the fully electric version, featuring a single electric motor powering the rear wheels, producing a very healthy 201 horsepower. The instant torque from the electric motor makes it feel zippy and incredibly responsive around town. It's not a sports car, but it's quick, smooth, and silent. The handling is neutral and predictable, with a comfortable ride quality perfect for daily commutes and weekend getaways. For those not ready to go fully electric, a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine is also expected, offering a more traditional driving experience. The Beetle has grown up. It's now a refined, comfortable, and eco-friendly cruiser that perfectly suits the needs of today's driver. So, let's talk about the all-important price. Volkswagen is positioning the new Beetle as an accessible and stylish modern classic. We expect the base model, well-equipped, to start right around $30,000. The premium electric version, like the one we have here, will likely start closer to $38,000. This places it squarely in the heart of the compact car market, but with a design and personality that is entirely its own. It offers a unique proposition for someone wanting to stand out from the sea of SUVs and standard sedans. So, what's the final word from AutoNervex? The 2026 Volkswagen Beetle is a triumphant return. It successfully captures the spirit and charm of the original while delivering a modern, practical, and efficient vehicle for a new generation. It's not trying to be the fastest or the most hardcore car on the road. Instead, it brings a much-needed dose of personality, style, and joy back to the automotive world. It puts a smile on your face, and really, what more could you want? If you enjoyed this first look at the returning legend, do us a favor and hit that like button, subscribe to AutoNervex for more content, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Let us know in the comments below, are you excited to see the Beetle back? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.